Well, let's get a Russian perspective on this. We can speak on the phone to Sergei Strokhan, who's political commentator at the Kommersant newspaper in Moscow. Good to have you with us, Sergei. So while Washington is blaming Damascus, Moscow claims it's the rebels who are using the chemical weapons. What can you tell us?
Well, let me start by saying that as early as this spring, Moscow has came up with reports of its own referring to the area attack, which, according to Moscow, was conducted by rebels, not by President Assad's regime. So all in all, it seems that these days what we see is the war of words and the war of reports. And chemical weapons, which are always attributed as weapons of mass destruction, also serve as weapons of mass deception, in the sense that the West is trying to use its pretext for a military operation in Syria. Don't you find it strange that while UN experts are already in Syria and they have not come up with a report of their own, President Obama and other Western leaders already rushed to a conclusion, pointing finger at President Assad? I think this is hardly credible, and this really undermines the very mission of the United Nations experts in the country.
Well, Russia has warned that military intervention will have catastrophic consequences. Can you tell us what these consequences may be?
That's a good question, really, because today everybody is obsessed, preoccupied with when the strike will take place, and no one thinks of what will happen after that. And this is really the key question, as the results could really be catastrophic. Catastrophic in many ways. To start with, Syrian army has a good capability just to retaliate, and let me refer to the recent statement of Syrian officials saying that they will surprise the West if attacked. They will respond and respond in a strong way. And let me add to that probably Syrian allies in the region can step in. So all in all, the region can be dragged into a big war, very big war with unpredictable consequences. And please don't forget about oil prices and the results for the world economy. So it seems that while trying to punish President Assad, Western powers can punish themselves.
All right, appreciate your analysis, Sergei. Sergei Strokhan, who's political commentator at the Kommersant newspaper in Moscow.